friends, welcome to another Throw It Out Thursday video. Today we're going to be working on this cabinet. It is so messy. It has breakfast stuff and coffee and tea stuff. It's just overwhelmingly messy, and there's things in there that could definitely be thrown out. So come with me while I clean this out because I know it needs it. Right now I am currently going through everything, seeing what is expired or what is expiring soon, and I'm just dumping it. And if it doesn't have an expiration date on it, I'm just going to throw it out because I don't feel safe not knowing when it expires. So unless I just recently got it, of course, but if it has been in there for a while and there's no expiration date on there, I'm just going to dump it. So yep, there I go, throwing something out.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be trapped in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
Alright, you guys, so this looks so much better now. Yeah, it looked horrible before. I couldn't even close the door all the way. So now I can, and it looks so much better. Alright, so on the very top is like my stuff. I have my C4 pre-workout stuff, my protein shakes and some extra teas. Second shelf is oatmeals and breakfast shakes, and the bottom shelf is some tea and some coffee stuff. So, and stuff to make coffees with and everything. So I feel like I wanted that to be at reach. So I really like how this turned out. So it may not seem like I did a whole lot because I just worked on this one cabinet, but honestly, you guys, small victories are sometimes the most rewarding. I'm so happy and proud that I did this because it needed to be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a like, and if you have not yet, definitely subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And like always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!